Thutha wa gutabania mucemanio wa atongoria mukawa-ini umwe guku Nairobi, gikundi giki kia mangabana na atongoria gigithiite gucerera mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga wabici-ini yake ya Capitol Hill mwena wa Upper Hill guku Nairobi, kumutariria mamwe ma maundu maria maracirire na oho kumumenyithia haria mibango ya mucemanio wa kwaririria BBI mwena wa Meru ikinyite.
All the counties, all the 10 counties will have town hall meetings, town hall consultations. There are briefings by BBI. People think BBI is about creating posts for anybody. It is not about creating posts. It's about uniting this country.
Kwirigirirwo andu makinya o 30,000 ni makiyumire mucemanio ucio uria ugatabanirio kiharo-ini gia Kinoru.
When Kinoru Stadium speaks, it will be Mount Kenya speaking on BBI.
We will be encouraging our people to come as much as possible in their traditional attire. And there'll be a lot of singing and a lot of celebration and dancing, even as we present our memorandum, because we'll have already spent about 1 month or so working on the input into the memorandum.
Ona gutuika atongoria aria makoragwo makiregana na micemanio ya BBI maugite uyu wa Meru no nginya magekinyia, Ngabana Kiraito yugite gutire mundu ugetikirio guthararia mucemanio ucio kuona matanya maguo ni kuguna muikari wa Mount Kenya.
We have warned those who are saying BBI is a waste of time. So if it's a waste of time, don't come to waste time in Kinoru. If you think BBI is a waste of time, please stay at home, keep away, and don't come to Kinoru Stadium.
As a community, we want integrative politics. We do not want to shut anybody from our region. Anybody who has bought a plot in Nyandarua County or Kirinyaga or Meru, you are free to fence your plot. You are free to do whatever you want to do with it. This is the Kenya we want, where any Kenyan can move to any part of this country and develop.
Atongoria aya maracemanitie gucokaniriria meciria mao iguru rigie murugamo uria makaruta wona mekinya mucemanio wa Meru, ona gutuika aria manyitaga baru munini wa President William Ruto matirekinyitie, amwe ao magitabania mucemanio mwanya o guku Nairobi.
If there are memorandums to be given, we will have our own memoranda as the elected representatives of the people.
Mucemanio uyu ugakorwo ri wa kere gutabanio gitaru-ini giki kia Mount Kenya, wa mbere ari uria watabaneirio Kirinyaga mweri muhituku. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Kia Makariuki.